Assalamu alaikum, dear students of 10th class. Again, welcome to all of you. Hope you might be fine and well. As the holy month of Ramadan is on, but unfortunately, as you know, dear students, due to pandemic of COVID-19, schools were closed. That affected our teaching learning system. So as per government announcement, we are taking your classes through online system. Hope you will enjoy my lesson. Dear students, we have learned few lessons during the month of March and have completed the first unit. That was the rise of nationalism in Europe. This very lesson consists of 6 chapters. We have completed that very chapter with all questions and also 2 lessons from the second unit, that is nationalism in India. Now today we will go through the third lesson of the second unit. The name of that very lesson is Towards Civil Disobedience. And topic will remain the Simon Commission, that is the news report on the Simon Commission. Dear students, this was an act, we can say this was a commission which was very tough and rough. It was created by the government of Britain, and it was set up by the Sir John Simon. His name was Sir John Simon. The Simon Commission was appointed in India in 1928. The Simon Commission was appointed in India in 1928. यानी कि जो साइमन कमीशन था इसको मुकर्रर किया गया हिंदुस्तान में 1928 में. So far as its members are concerned, this commission consisted of 7 members and its chairman was Sir John Simon. Now what was the objective of this commission? The objective of this commission was to look the functioning of the constitutional system. यानी कि इसका जो मकसद था वो ये देखना था कि ये जो कानून था, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सिस्टम जो हिंदुस्तान में उन दिनों था जब यहाँ पे ब्रिटिश का रूल था, वो कैसे फंक्शन कर रहा था, वो कैसे काम कर रहा था, कैसे काम चल रहा था उन दिनों. यानी कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सेटअप कैसे चल रहा था उन दिनों. और इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव ये भी था कि कुछ constitutional changes हम लाएं and suggest some constitutional changes. So the objective of this commission was to look the functioning of the constitutional system in India and suggest some constitutional changes. But the nationalists like Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and various and other leaders like nationalists and Congress leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, we can say Gandhi ji, they opposed the commission. Why they opposed the commission? Because this was against the nationalists, against the national movements, And second reason behind this opposition was that this commission was not having any Indian member. So, unitely, the Congress and the Muslim League jointly demonstrated against this commission with the slogan, "Go back, Simon." तो कांग्रेस, क्योंकि ये जो एक्ट जो था, जो साइमन कमीशन ब्रिटिश वालों ने बनाया था, ये खिलाफ था, हिंदुस्तान के नेशनलिस्ट्स के खिलाफ था, हिंदुस्तानियों के खिलाफ था। तो कांग्रेस वालों ने और मुस्लिम लीग दोनों ने मिलकर इसके खिलाफ मुजाहरे किए। इनका राह यही था, गो बैक साइमन, गो बैक साइमन। This was all about today's topic. Hope you will get the concept of this very topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.